Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text direction in Affinity Publisher without text box. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to change the text direction without text box. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then select this table tools and draw a table. Then select this arrow and remove some rows. Then write anything to this table cells. Then select the whole text. Then enable the table format option, and we can see here the rotation. Then we select rotate 90 degrees option. Then click outside of the table and select the whole table, and select this stroke and fill option to all, and select the cell stroke and decrease the stroke or white. Then click outside of the table and close the panel. Now we can see we change the text direction without text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.